Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by making sure your Microsoft 365 Teams account and iPhone are ready. First, sign into Teams so your account exists on Microsoft's side. Next, open iPhone settings and go to Mail right arrow accounts. Choose Add Account and pick Exchange. Enter your work email and password, and when prompted, provide the server or domain details. This links the Microsoft calendar. Once done, make sure Calendars is enabled before leaving settings. That step lets iOS show your team. Now you configure where events appear and how they sync. If you added Exchange in settings, open Calendars and choose a sensible default calendar. This determines where new events go. If you prefer the Outlook app, open Outlook, sign in, and enable Calendar Sync in its settings. That keeps Office 365 events in Outlook and iOS. Make sure the iPhone calendar app lists your work account under Accounts. Once it does, refresh or pull down, and you should see Teams meetings appear as calendar items. Finish by verifying that Teams meetings appear in your iPhone calendar. Give it 5 to 10 minutes after setup. If events don't show, go back to settings and toggle calendars off and on for that account, or open Teams and re-authenticate so tokens refresh. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi or cellular, and that iOS, Teams, and Outlook are up to date. These updates often fix sync bugs. If problems persist, remove the Exchange account and add it again. That usually clears stubborn permission or token errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.